Hi, today we will be seeing how to create a simple Java application and then deploy it in Jenkins. So I have IntelliJ and I'm trying to create a project and it's going to be Maven. It's actually a simple hello world. So I'm just creating a simple app as the application name. The JDK what I'm using is 17 using quick start archetype and then let's create the project. It's going to take a few moments. So yeah, we have a simple app. You can give your organization name. Generally, this will be like com dot whichever website is hosting it. And I'm going to use the higher versions. I'm not going with the default one, what is offered in the IntelliJ. So I'm going for 14.13.1 and reload your Maven. So since it is your Maven project, you by default will have app.java and in your test you will be having app test and let's create a class called hello there. This is going to be a very simple program. All it does is it just prints hello and the class name is hello there. And inside your test folder, try to create a class to test this one. So I'm putting something like hello there test. It's going to be a class and I'm going to delete the existing class. So since this is going to be your test class, use a test annotation, add your method public void check message. What we'll have to do is the output that comes from the project needs to be asserted. So for that, let's create a stream and redirect the output to the stream. So let's just use byte output array stream class and variable the system dot out set. So set out. You will need to pass You will need print stream and pass the output variable. So let's call the hello there class. So for this, you will need to pass null because it's taking the argument there. Let's just assert it. So in the assert equals, let's try to put hello, put the output. So the So the output needs to be converted back to string and it needs to be trimmed as well. What I'm expecting is hello WO and what we have passed here is, yeah, it is hello, right? So let's just put world and here let's correct the spelling error and let's rerun. So yeah, we have a simple message and what we'll need to do is, so I have my Jenkins ready here. Go to the dashboard and new item. So in the new item, this is going to be a simple Java application. So I'm trying to put the name, I'm trying to give a name. So simple app and it's a freestyle project. Okay. Simple application and go to advanced. Since I'm having my project in my local, so I'm trying, so check this option, which is use custom workspace. So you have it here. No, not. Your source code management is going to be none because you're not using Git. It's just my local folder and your build trigger. At the moment, I'm not choosing. Let's go to build step and in this you will have to give invoke top level Maven target and your goal is going to be Maven clean install and your post build is going to be publish JUnit result report. So this is going to be a JUnit result report and what they have here is so this is simple, just copy this, try to put asterisk, and this is going to be your Surefire. And do you want all the tests? I want all the tests. Then save. See the configuration once again. Let's check. And let's try to trigger the build. And let's see what is options given here. So at the moment, I'm just trying to put a time that will schedule every hour at same time to the current time. So H followed by 4 asterisk. So if it is 8, so tomorrow 8 it will again rerun. So let's just do that and save. Let's try to build now. Okay, so this has failed. Let's see the console output. Started by this user and console output. So the problem is, so this error is appearing because I think I've given Maven clean install. So you will have to give this is the one I wanted to configure, right? So choose the item, the free app item that you created, come back and so even if you would have seen the console, the problem is I have given the Maven, so you don't have to give Maven, so just give clean and install double asterisk, save. So yeah, what you'll have to do is while you're trying to configure, I want to keep it simple. So go to advanced, try use custom workspace and copy the location of your project, which is in your local, and put that there. And your source code management is not Git, it's going to be none. I'm trying the build trigger, I'm trying to schedule it like every day, same time. So it is H followed by 4 asterisk. And in the build step, you'll have to use invoke top level and so previously, I think I was using MVN to not put MVN. So just put clean and install. And in the post build action, try to use double asterisk slash target surefire reports since Jenkins has the compatibly with the JUnit and the JUnit plugin is already installed when you'll be installing the um, Jenkins. So that is supportable. So you just have to give the path of your Surefire reports from your project. So which is right here in the target. So asterisk asterisk and give this path and give asterisk.xml and then your preferred output that you wanted to see and yeah, save and apply. Try to build them. So it's building and your build is success and you have here. So you have your test result. It says took 4 millisecond and it is pass. So that's a very simple application that anybody could try to create even a complicated application or a complex one. So thanks for watching.